Marinate 800 grams chicken in 2 tablespoon lemon juice and very little salt. Because there is salt in sauce, mix 4 tablespoon corn flour to marinated chicken. Deep fry the chicken. Deep fry all the chicken and set aside. All the chicken is deep fried. Heat 3 tablespoon oil. Add 2 dried chillies. 1 tablespoon chopped garlic. Half tablespoon chopped ginger. Fry them till they turn to golden brown color. Add 1 cup chopped spring onion. Add deep fried chicken and stir. Add 2 tablespoon chili sauce, 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Add 1 chopped capsicum, little pepper. Add 2 tablespoon corn flour dissolved in